Do you want to know what a county court advocate is and what their role involves? We will share all in this short clip. Of course, you've finished your legal studies now and you work as a county court advocate. Would you like to talk to our listeners just a little bit about what that role involves and what you do on a day-to-day basis?
Yes, so I think I'll talk about how it evolves because I don't want people to think as soon as you start that's everything you're doing all at once. So there's a range of hearings that you can attend as a county court advocate. You are limited to small claims track, so it's only civil claims and it's only small claims track. You can't go on to fast track. But things that we do deal with are applications, preliminary hearings, possession hearings, so landlord and tenant, consumer rights and road traffic accidents, credit hire, which is when someone has an accident and they hire a car and you have to dispute whether they're allowed to recover the full amount or not. And you start on with a type of hearing that's called infant approval hearings, where there's no one really against you, or preliminary hearings where there's not much in dispute and we're not going to go into the detail of the law. And so you will do that for a few weeks because you have to learn so much of how a court actually works. You don't know anything before you go in. And then progressively, you will move on to more difficult cases and you just learn so much about the law. But above everything else, it is about learning how to be an advocate, convince a judge, deal with your opponent, deal with a client, deal with communication with solicitors. And it's just, you learn every day. Cases are different every day. Evidence is different every day. So I think it really is a great option once you finish the bar to go into county court advocacy, even if you don't intend to practice in civil law.